In order to purchase Twitter Premium using digital currency, you should click on the Premium section and then select the option here. Click on the payment button, then choose the one you prefer. If you want Premium Plus, you will need to pay $40. If you choose the standard premium, you pay $5, and for the basic plan, it is $2. Select your plan here. Choose the plan you want and click on Pay, then wait until this page opens up for you. In this part, you only need to select crypto and fill in your name and details. You can just enter some fake information. There is no need for your information to be accurate. Proceed to the payment page and connect your crypto wallet. I am logging into MetaMask. Select the network, click Buy, and it is finished.